Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen easy. First, bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Next, stir in the seasoning packet that comes with your ramen. Make sure it's fully dissolved for the best flavor. Finally, carefully pour your delicious ramen into a bowl and enjoy it immediately. To truly elevate your ramen, consider adding a few simple ingredients to the broth. A dash of soy sauce can deepen the umami flavor, while a teaspoon of sesame oil brings a wonderful aroma. For an extra kick, a pinch of garlic powder works wonders. You might also try stirring in a small slice of butter for a richer, creamier broth that feels incredibly indulgent. These small additions make a big difference. Now let's talk about quick and easy toppings to make your ramen more satisfying. A soft-boiled egg is a classic choice, adding both protein and a creamy yolk. Sliced green onions provide a fresh, crisp texture and vibrant color. If you have leftover cooked chicken, shredding a few pieces into your bowl is a fantastic way to add substance. For those who love a little heat, a sprinkle of chili flakes is perfect. The best part about easy ramen is how customizable it is. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables like spinach or mushrooms, or try various hot sauces to find your perfect level of spice. Remember, there are no strict rules here. It's all about what you enjoy. Serve your creation in a large, comfortable bowl and savor every spoonful. You've just made a delicious and satisfying meal with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.